Hello everyone. In an earlier video, you saw how Hot Rod, a sample application from the Jaeger project, emits errors into the Gitlab Observability backend for error tracking. In this video, we'll see how it emits traces into the Gitlab Observability backend for distributed tracing. For this demo, we'll also be using the OpenTelemetry enabled endpoint, which is the default when you get started with Gitlab Observability. Of course, with the additional support for Jaeger formatted traces, should you need to send them our way as well. If we now open up the Hot Rod demo app and make a few sample requests, you can see them being serviced successfully. Now, if we hop over to the GitLab Observability UI for this project, and select the tracing data source, you can see a bunch of traces that have already been ingested. Now let's drill down into one of these to check details. And indeed, you can see the traces that were just produced from the demo app. If you notice also, this is in conjunction with the error tracking functionality you saw in the video we talked about earlier. So if we quickly hop onto the error tracking view for this project, you should be able to see the corresponding errors as well. As we speak, we are currently working on adding the ability to correlate the two dimensions so that you can quickly jump from errors reported inside your traces to their detailed stack traces by just clicking on them. To do all of this, we assume that your code is already instrumented to emit traces. Once that's done, all you have to do is configure your tracing client or exporter to point at the endpoints you receive from GitLab Observability backend configuration, and also configure your credentials correctly, like you can see here. And this should already get you set up in sending all your errors and traces over to GitLab Observability platform. That's all we are going to talk about in this video. Thanks for watching.